Every year, millions of dog owners in the U.S. face surprise vet bills. A torn ACL? $3,000. Swallowed toy? $1,200. Even routine checkups can add up fast. And yet, over 70% of dog owners still don't have pet insurance, mostly because they think it's too expensive or too complicated. Well, not anymore. I'm about to show you exactly how to find the best dog insurance for cheap, how to sign up in minutes, and yes, you can do it all without a vet visit. Whether your pup is a 3-month-old golden retriever or a 10-year-old rescue, this works. Let's break it down. First, understand your options. There are 3 main types of dog insurance plans. Accident only, cheapest, covers things like broken bones or bites. Accident and illness, most popular, covers everything from ear infections to cancer. Wellness add-ons, covers vaccines, checkups, flea meds. If you're on a budget, go with accident and illness. It offers the best bang for your buck. Don't waste time jumping from site to site. Use a pet insurance comparison tool like Policy, Spot, or Lemonade. These let you compare cheap pet insurance quotes instantly based on your dog's breed, age, and zip code. It takes under 2 minutes, and no vet exam is required. Just type in your pup's info, and boom, you get your options. Look at these 4 things when picking the right policy. Monthly premium, deductible. Lower is better if you expect to use it soon. Reimbursement rate. Aim for 80% or higher. Annual coverage limit. You'll be shocked how some plans as low as $10 a month offer decent protection. That's less than what you spend on dog treats. Before you click buy, check the fine print. Do they cover pre-existing conditions? Is there a waiting period before coverage kicks in? What's excluded? Dental, hip dysplasia, breed-specific conditions. Even the best dog insurance in 2025 can hide exclusions.
Look for providers with strong reviews, check Reddit, Trustpilot, even Facebook groups. Also, some companies offer discounts for multiple pets, or if you bundle with your renters or car insurance, easy way to save even more. So there you have it. Cheap dog insurance in under 5 minutes, no vet visit, no stress. Protect your pup, protect your wallet. If this helped, give that like button a belly rub. Subscribe for more smart pet tips. And drop your dog's name in the comments. We love meeting furry subscribers.